For the benefit of those of us here in the U.S., sort of go big picture, Heimir, what attracted you to take this Jamaica job? What have the experiences been like? And I am fascinated for someone that has major international tournament experience. We're very proud of what the Gold Cup represents to this region. What do you expect over the next few weeks?
No, normally I am a realistic optimist, and I know Jamaica has a lot of talented players. In the past, the problem has been to make a good team out of good individuals. That has been the problem, and I think nobody is hiding behind that fact that Jamaica normally have had really good individuals. I've managed in my career to make teams, underdog teams, perform pretty well. So I have something that they were interested in talking to me, and I saw an opportunity to do something football-wise for a country that haven't, for example, made it to the World Cup for a long time. So that is kind of the long-term project, is to get Jamaica into the World Cup. But this is a good opportunity for us to just see where we stand at this moment. I know we will improve during this tournament. We will improve. And after the tournament, we will keep on improving. But I think we have quality to fight to go far in this tournament already. But that was my opportunity to try to use some of the things I've been using to build a team with these really incredible, talented individuals.